Well, so who will be the Gujarat Chief Minister if Narendra Modi becomes the PM? That's a question BJP is already facing up to. The party is gearing up to form a government at the centre, and Modi is meeting up with state party legislators, which has now fueled speculations about who will be the Gujarat Chief Minister, with 4 ministers in the fray, including his close aide Anandiben Patel. The question which is doing the rounds is, who will be Modi's successor?
A day after exit polls predicted a majority for the NDA and the road to Modi's prime ministerial ambitions appearing clearer, the Gujarat Chief Minister was seen convening a series of meetings in Gandhinagar. First, the Gujarat BJP core group meeting, and just minutes later, Modi seen meeting BJP MLAs. With hectic activity in Gandhinagar, the question which has taken over is who will be the next Chief Minister of Gujarat if and when Modi moves to Delhi.
The most important question of Narendra Modi's successor is on the minds of everyone in the BJP in Gujarat. Deliberations are happening behind the scenes. A sense is being taken, a mood is being gathered of what is there in the minds of MLAs and other party men, the cadre, and based on which a decision would be taken, of course, by the National Parliamentary Board.
Meetings are likely to continue with names of 4 main contenders doing the rounds. Anandiben Patel, a cabinet minister and close aide of Narendra Modi, is believed to be the front-runner. Gujarat Minister Nitinbhai Patel, State BJP President R.C. Faldu and RSS liaison Bhikkhu Dalsania are also believed to be in the running. The BJP is maintaining that the decision will be a unanimous one.
नए सीएम के बाद हम 16 तारीख के बाद 17 तारीख के बाद चर्चा करेंगे, क्योंकि पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड, हमारे केंद्रीय पार्लियामेंट्री बोर्ड, वो सिस्टम बनाएंगे, सबको विश्वास में लेते हुए बाद में डिसीजन होगा। और मैं स्पष्ट बताता हूं कि गुजरात में कोई गुटबाजी नहीं है।
With poll of polls suggesting NDA will cross the halfway mark, the big question would be who will succeed Narendra Modi in Gujarat. Bureau Report, Times Now.